At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a do-it-yourself (DIY) business can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you launch and succeed in your DIY business. 1. Identify your niche. Define the specific niche or market you want to target with your DIY business. Whether it's home improvement, crafting, or technology, a clear focus will help you stand out and attract a specific audience. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Identify the needs and preferences of your potential customers to tailor your products or services accordingly. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, target market, competition analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. A well-thought-out plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business and ensure compliance with local regulations and licensing requirements. Consider forming a legal structure that suits your business, such as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. 5. Quality products/services. Emphasize the quality of your DIY products or services. Positive reviews and satisfied customers will contribute significantly to the success of your business. Consistently delivering high-quality offerings will build trust and loyalty. 6. Online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Use these platforms to showcase your products, engage with customers, and leverage online marketing strategies to reach a broader audience. 7. Effective marketing. Develop a marketing strategy that includes both online and offline channels. Utilize social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and collaborations with influencers or other businesses to promote your DIY offerings. 8. Customer service. Prioritize excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns, and provide clear communication. Positive customer experiences can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. 9. Financial management. Keep a close eye on your finances. Monitor expenses, set budgets, and track revenue. Implement good accounting practices and consider investing in accounting software to help manage your financial records. 10. Adaptability and innovation. Stay adaptable and open to innovation. The DIY market is dynamic, and trends may change. Be willing to update your offerings, explore new ideas, and adapt your business model to stay relevant in the market. Remember that building a successful DIY business takes time and effort. Stay committed to your goals, continuously assess your business strategies, and be willing to make adjustments based on feedback and market trends. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.